let's be real, none of us likes to clean. I mean, cleaning is a chore that we actively try to avoid, but we can't get our way around it because at some point everything, all the surfaces, our beds and sofas will start accumulating dust, and it's not really pleasant. And that's why it's worth investing in tools and accessories that help us in that journey so that we are able to do it more easily. And that's why I have bought this Philips cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, cordless vacuum cleaners have gotten really popular these days. Some popular ones are Dyson. The other popular one that I know is Dyson also. But Philips is slightly cheaper than Dyson, so I opted for this. I am very excited to try this on, and I will do the unboxing and detailed review of how my experience was to help you decide whether it will be useful for you or not. So yeah, alright, let's try this on. So yeah, let's begin with a quick unboxing of the product to check out what are the accessories that are included in the box, and after that we can start our cleaning. Okay, let's open. Ta-da! So here is the box, and these are the things that have come with the vacuum cleaner. Let's unpack and see what is there. So now I have unboxed, and these are all the things that came in the box. So one by one I'll show you everything. These are all the accessories you get with the vacuum cleaner. The first one is the main unit, the suction unit, which has the motor and the battery. Then you get a charging unit as well, which is wall mountable. Then you get two cleaning accessories. There's this larger one which can be used on carpets and larger surfaces, and then there's this smaller one for hard to reach areas which are smaller. Then you get a rod which acts as an extension to reach far out areas, and a user guide as well. Which has come with the product. It's very easy to charge the product using this. It has this ring which is magnetic, so as soon as you bring it close to this the bottom of this vacuum cleaner, it will stick and start charging, and this part will here light up, and it will show how much the charge is. Like right now, out of 5 bars, there's 4 bars already, so which means it has a lot of charge, and the 5th one is pulsating, which means it's filling up that space. And there is a wall mounting accessory as well. Let me show you. So here is a wall mounting accessory, so it can be wall mounted anywhere you want near a plug, and this will basically fit into the wall mounting accessory like this, and you can fit the vacuum cleaner like this. So if you want, you can wall mount it as well. It will save some of your space, but it's very easy to charge. The unit itself is very light, it's very compact. This is the main suction unit, and this is the dust collector, which is also very easy to remove. There's a button here, so if you press, it just comes out, and otherwise it just fits in. Alright, so this is the main unit. Let's first try the fabric cleaner. So here is the sofa. It looks pretty clean, but it has a dark secret. Yes, in every house there are some corners which accumulate dust, and so the back part of the sofa is pretty dusty. So we are going to see how this vacuum cleaner tackles that and cleans that part. Let's check out. Kitni dust hai. Pass lagi thoda. So yeah, I mean, it looks clean, but it has a lot of see. अब इससे साफ करने के बाद वैक्यूम क्लीनर को हम देखेंगे कि इसमें कितनी डस्ट बच रही है. Look at this dirt. Lot of dirt. I'm starting to clean using this large accessory, which can be also used for larger surfaces like carpets or sofa. It has a 180-degree suction angle, so I think it should clean out the sofa really well. Let's see how it cleans. Fitting in these accessories is super simple. You just have to put it and it clicks and you can just start cleaning. Also, there are these cool LED lights in case you are cleaning out, say, far out dark corners under the sofas. So these LEDs will definitely help you, and the suction is so far going really great. It's doing a great job of just sucking in the air. I can feel it, how tightly it's attached to the sofa. Wow, एकदम चिपक गया ये. There it's cleaning. इट्स फन। काफ़ी फटाफट हो रहा है। काफ़ी हल्का है ना, काफ़ी इजी है साफ़ करने में, राइट? या फॉर एडिशनल suction you can press the accessory onto the surface to get a better suction. थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा सक्शन पाने के लिए आप ये जो एक्सेसरी है उसको हाथ से दबा भी सकते हैं ताकि वो एकदम चिपक के अच्छे से पूरी जो धूल है उसको सक कर ले। ये है मेरा फ्रेंड सागर जो कि मेरी हेल्प कर रहा है आज वीडियो बनाने में, और ये हम आज सागर के ही घर पे हैं सोफ़ा क्लीनिंग के लिए। So now that we are done with the main seating area of the sofa, it's time to clean the other surfaces which are smaller and are generally hidden, which is the back side of the sofa, the armrests. And for that we will put this smaller accessory and remove this big one, because I think because of the smaller size it can clean these surfaces better. Chaliye, I'm just putting in this one. So easy. All right. And now this part which probably has the maximum amount of dust. Ooh. So much dust has come out just from the sofa, right?
Yeah, so much dust.
So much dust. So yeah, our sofa is clean. All the dust is collected in this. We will discard the dust later. But now moving on to the other surfaces. Where is your face? Now moving on to the other surfaces of the house, which is the
Windowsills.
windowsills. Okay, let's attack the windowsills now.
Yes.
So now look at this window. Isn't it gross? Like, look at the amount of dust in that. It's extremely dirty, and because it's next to the kitchen, I think the dust is also mixed with the grime of the oil, and hence made this gross kind of a coating on the windowsill. So now let's check out how our vacuum cleaner is able to tackle this. Let's see. Now our machine gun is loaded, and let's attack the dirty window grill. All right. Wow, look at this. So this is the part that's clean. This is the part that is dirty, and you can see how much of a difference it has made in just 2 swipes. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow. That's a lot. काफ़ी ज़्यादा. So now let's try with this extension arm. So it also fits similarly like this. ऐसे ही लग जाता है बड़ी आसानी से. और अगर इसे कोई ऊंची चीज़ है, अगर आपको पंखा वगैरह साफ़ करना है, एक्चुअली पंखा गंदा दिख रहा है. Let me just try cleaning it. So तो ये जो दूर तक ऊंचाई वाले काम है, ये आप ये अटैचमेंट लगा के कर सकते हैं. ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट है, सॉलिड है, एल्यूमिनियम का बना हुआ है, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत लाइट वेट और कॉम्पैक्ट है. All right. So yeah, the cleaning is done. We have cleaned the sofa. We have cleaned the window grills. We have cleaned the French window grill as well. The net, and a lot of dust is accumulated. Like, this is beyond my imagination. So now it's time to clean and see how much dust was accumulated. And I'm taking this out. It's very easy to take out. You just have to press this, and the whole attachment comes out. This is the vacuum area. I'm keeping it aside. And now let's open the bin. Yeah. All right, so all this was collected, which is a lot of dust. इसने जो सक्शन का काम किया है वो तो एकदम एक नंबर किया है, और काफ़ी इजीली सफाई हो गई. मतलब कुल मिला के शायद 30 मिनट्स लगे होंगे पूरे हर चीज़ की सफाई में. तो काफ़ी लाइट वेट है, काफ़ी ईजी टू ऑपरेट है, और बैटरी लाइफ भी काफ़ी बढ़िया है. आई थिंक 40 मिनट्स का क्लेम है, तो 40 मिनट्स पूरी चली है ये. तो आई थिंक इट्स गुड. मतलब सफाई काफ़ी बढ़िया हुई है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद इट. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस वैक्यूम क्लीनर टू रैंडमली क्लीन माई सोफा, my corners, my curtains, and I must say that it's super easy to use. You just have to pick it up, and it kind of encourages the habit of frequent cleaning. I think it's a worth price if you're a lazy person like me. I think it's totally worth, and you will not regret investing in this vacuum cleaner. So all the cleaning is done, and let me share my experience. I think it was pretty easy to use. It's very lightweight, it charges very quickly, and it holds true to its claim of 40 minutes running time. So I would say this is worth it. It's worth a price tag of around 25,000. And I think cordless vacuum cleaners are expensive in general, so they are in this range. So this is no exception. I think Dyson's vacuum cleaner is even more expensive than this one. All the attachments, the build quality is super sturdy. It's really high quality. And based on this first experience, I feel I will be reaching out to this more and more often, and I'll be cleaning more often, especially vacuuming sofas and bed. I think it will be super easy to just run it across whenever there's some free time, and it's done. So I would say that I'm extremely satisfied. I'm happy with this product, and I would recommend you to buy this as well. One more thing, the model that I have is a 2-in-1 model. It says here 2-in-1 LED. There is a 3-in-1 model as well, which is I think 5,000 to 6,000 rupees extra. It also has a wet mop functionality. Now at least for me, I could not justify another 5,000-6,000 additional rupees to get the wet mop functionality. In my opinion, any kind of a cheap flat mop will do the same thing. So I would suggest like you go with the slightly lower version, the cheaper version, the 2-in-1 version, and additionally buy a flat mop, which your domestic help can also use very efficiently. They will be scared to touch this. I will add the links to both of them in my description, so if you want to check out more details, please check out. Those links are affiliate links, so if you buy this product from those links, it will help my channel a little. As always, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I keep sharing videos about home decor, DIY and home organization. I keep it real, I keep it simple, and my videos are fun. So with that, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye!